Hello! Today we would like to demonstrate how you can unhide the song on Spotify. So let's go ahead and hide some song first. For example, this one, the first one in this particular playlist. Alrighty, so the song has been successfully hidden. Now you want to open up the home page, go for settings. In here, scroll down for a little bit. Stop yourself at the playback section, and in here simply turn on the show unplayable songs toggle. Now we can get back to the playlist, and in here, as you can see, this song that we have just hidden is now visible. So if you want to unhide it, simply tap on this icon, and that will essentially mean that you have successfully unhided the song. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.